Hello everybody, welcome back to our Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily enable or disable the hide your name option in Dead by Daylight. So first, what you guys want to do is basically go over to the options right here. They are close to the quit button. And here you want to go into the online section. So now go to gameplay and privacy, and here you guys can hide your name. So as you guys can see, you guys can enable it or disable it, it doesn't matter. It works almost the same as the anonymous mode, except this one will basically you will appear as you, and basically you will be hidden from a lot of friends lists. So that's basically it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.